Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika, and in this video I'm going to talk about some secrets of the type tool. Now you know that in Illustrator you can create 3 types of text objects. And then you can also create all these kind of text objects in vertical fashion. And in the advanced toolbar you also have the crazy amount of type tools, which looks like you need to create a different type tool depending on what kind of text object you want to create. But that would be a lot of kilometers you have to travel with the mouse. So how can we avoid that? Now, when you want to create a point text, you take the type tool and then you click, and then you get a point text. You just type. And when you want to create a new line of text, you have to type return. And if you want to create an area text, you click and drag, and then you get an area text. And when you want to type on a path, you first need a path, and then you can use the text tool and just click on the path, and then you get path text. Now, what do you do if you already have an area and want to create a text in it, such as this circle here? You see, when I move the text tool over it, it changes the cursor, which means I can just click and then I get an area text in my circle, and I haven't changed the type tool. Now, let's revert that. And you see, when I move the cursor over it, I can just create area text. Now, what if I want to type on the path? It's a closed path, and Illustrator doesn't show me the path text tool. So in order to get that, I just press the Alt key or Option on the Mac. And there you see, I have the path text tool. Now, what if I want to create an area text in this one? You see, I just get the path text cursor here, and again, I just press Alt, but let's first select it and then press Alt, and there we have it. Now, it doesn't make sense a lot for this path, but for others it might. Now, then we have the vertical text. How do we create that? In order to get that, you press Shift, and then you get the vertical type. And the same goes for area type. You press Shift and then make an area, and there it is in vertical direction. And the same goes for the path text. Press Shift, and again we have to select the path, and there it is in vertical. And then also we take the circle and again press Shift, and there we have the vertical type. So we didn't need to change the tool, we just pressed some modifier keys on the keyboard. Now, the area text and the path text also have options, which you can get from here. When the type is selected, you get the area type options here. So you would need to travel to the type menu and select those, and this is not needed either. So when you have the text selected, you just double-click the text tool, and there we have the options. And again, the same goes for the path text, which we have here. Just double-click, and there are the type on a path options. So again, we just need the text tool for that. The only situation where we actually need the tool is the touch type tool. And it has this convenient shortcut, so you can select it using that. And then you can just go on, select the character, and use the Touch Type tool to edit it. So this was some secrets of the text tool to make your editing smoother and faster. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.